Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Technology. When the Pixel tablet was first revealed at Google I/O 2022 earlier in May, the understandable focus of most people was on how Google was planning to evolve Android's lackluster tablet segment. While devices like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 have their fans, Android as a whole hasn't had enough tablet-optimized apps, and aspects like multitasking have been in dire need to attention. Google's announcements are promising. Those of us tracking the smart home world noticed some other unique things about the Pixel tablet, ones which could tie into rumors about Google's smart display plans. If that thinking proves correct, the Pixel tablet could signal the future of the smart display industry. In the few images Google has shared so far, the Pixel tablet looks mostly nondescript. There's a single camera on the back, and its overall design resembles 100 other Android tablets, not to mention Apple's budget iPad model. The front of the product, however, closely resembles another Google device, the Nest Hub Max, its top-end smart display. This could just be chalked up to minimalist displays, rounded corners, and landscape-oriented front cameras making sense in both the tablet and smart display arenas. But the company seems to have consciously chosen a wide bezel, which isn't so popular on tablets and makes more sense in continuing the Nest Hub aesthetic. The things that's truly unusual about the Pixel tablet is a series of 4 dots on the back which look a whole lot like the magnetic smart connector on some iPod models. Apple's technology allows people to attach accessories without taking up Bluetooth or USB connections or even using separate charging. So far, the iPad's smart connector has mostly been used for keyboard cases, and if that's all the Pixel tablet uses its connector for, it will still be welcome. But given rumors about smart display plans, there's a chance Google has higher ambitions. In March this year, Google reported that Google is working on a Nest Hub with a dockable tablet form factor in which the screen touches from a base or speaker that would solve the biggest problem with smart displays, which is obviously the limited use of plugged-in screens. They can be great as bedside, office, or kitchen companions, but beyond several feet away, they are reduced to being smart speakers. Said report claimed that Google is aiming to launch its product later in 2022. On the surface, that would seem to doom any link with the Pixel tablet, which is only due to ship sometime in 2023, but release windows frequently changes, and there's a hypothetical possibility we'll see a scaled-down version of the Pixel tablet designed for a Nest Hub. Something similar has already been tried multiple times by Lenovo, one example being the Smart Tab M10 HD. That product invoked Google Assistant's ambient mode when docked, however, instead of a true smart display interface, which is what people like you want from a Google-made device in terms of usability. Mind you, the company seems to be taking existing Nest Hubs in a more tablet-like direction. In the last several months, Google has updated its UI with an app bar opened by swiping from the bottom of the screen, as well as more fully featured web browser, including a Gboard style on-screen keyboard. This is yet more speculation, but it could be that Google is hoping to bridge the gap by baking its Nest Hub interface into future versions of Android or vice versa. Something like the Pixel tablet might default to a Nest Hub mode when docked, but flip to standard Android when picked up. Above all, it's hard to deny the practical appeal. Although by itself a hybrid product isn't going to be cheap, it does kill two birds with one stone, delivering both a smart display and something you can use for handheld entertainment and productivity. If the Pixel tablet becomes as premium as Google is suggesting, it might actually kill three birds, serving as a genuine laptop replacement.